In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location using Proton VPN. This process allows you to browse from different countries virtually, access region-restricted websites, and keep your real location private. First, make sure Proton VPN is installed and that you're signed in. Once you've opened the Proton VPN app, you'll see a map and a list of available servers on the left side of the screen. Each server represents a different country or region that you can connect to. To quickly change your location, click on the Quick Connect button. This will automatically connect you to the fastest available server, usually in one of the free regions like the United States, Japan, or the Netherlands. Your IP address will instantly change to that country's location. If you want to manually choose a specific location, click on the Countries tab or scroll through the list on the left. You'll see a range of available countries, each with one or more servers. Hover over a country and click Connect to switch to that location. After clicking Connect, Proton VPN will establish a secure connection with the selected country's server. Once connected, you'll notice the flag and country name at the top of the app, confirming your new virtual location. You can also check your new IP address by searching What's My IP in your browser. It will now show the country you connected to. If you want to change your location again, simply disconnect by clicking the Disconnect button, wait a few seconds, and then connect to another server of your choice. Keep in mind that on the free plan, Proton VPN offers a limited number of regions, so you'll only be able to connect to countries like the United States, Japan, and the Netherlands. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your virtual location using Proton VPN. If you want even faster speeds and more reliable connections, I'd recommend trying NordVPN. It's one of the best options out there. You'll find the link in the description below to get started and grab an exclusive discount on your plan.